In this video, I'll show you how to play Netflix Overcooked on your smart TV. First, open the Netflix app on your smart TV and make sure you're signed in with an active Netflix subscription. Next, navigate to the Games section and find Overcooked. Select the game and choose Play. A QR code will then appear on your TV screen. To continue, grab your smartphone and open the Camera app. Scan the QR code using your phone's camera. If your device doesn't support QR code scanning through the camera, you can use any QR code scanner app from your App Store. Once scanned, follow the on-screen instructions on your phone. Your smartphone will automatically connect to the game and act as a controller. After the connection is complete, you can start playing Overcooked directly on your smart TV using your phone as the controller. And that's how you can play Netflix Overcooked on a smart TV. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.